A Halloween story. A day called All Hallows' Eve was first celebrated over 1,000 years ago. All Hallows' Eve was the night before a special day to remember good and holy people who had died. People believed that on All Hallows' Eve, the spirits of dead people could come back to visit the world. They lit candles and wore costumes to keep the ghosts away. All Hallows' Eve became our modern Halloween. People often decorate their lawns with spooky Halloween decorations, such as skeletons, ghosts, and witches. People buy Halloween candy to give to children. On Halloween, people will carve a face into a pumpkin they put on their porch. They put a candle inside the pumpkin. This carved pumpkin is called a jack-o'-lantern. When it gets dark, children put on their Halloween costumes and go outside. They will ring doorbells and call trick or treat. Adults come to the door with Halloween candy for each child. Halloween is a fun, spooky festival. Visit the ESL Directions website for online lesson plans and other resources for your class of ESL beginners.